Yo, wait a man. You reach?
Yeah, man, me in the parking lot.
Alright, here what? Don't go upstairs. Meet me around at the lawn area.
Alright, cool.
Alright, cool.
What going on, man?
God. Savage. You cut off my heart, brother.
No, but you are now. You realize the difference.
Savage.
Wow.
You hear the news?
Yeah. So I realize the truth. And let me apologize to you, brother, because I really believe, sir, you should have pulled that stunt. But Minister, this one are real, may I tell you.
Savage. She dead. Michelle really dead.
My condolences, boss. But I never have nothing to do with it. Just so you know, I tell you again.
So you still a try play smart?
Well, I already am. But look here, it have nothing to do with this.
Stop, Savage. Just stop. Enough of your foolishness. We just need to bring home Tiffany right now. May I beg you. Bring her home. She has suffered enough, man. Just stop playing games, please.
Games. Boss man, I tell you I already said, I don't play games. Worse when it come on to a child. And a daughter at that. The last time I tell you, don't mention this to me again. I'm going to tell you one more time.
Alright, Savage, fine. If you don't have nothing to do with this, who have Tiffany?
That is the question.
Alright then, fine. You don't have nothing to do with it. So use the money when we give you and bring her back. Go in your magic box. Pull out all of your tricks then. We know you can do it. Find her. Bring her come give me.
Boss, let me tell you something. Willing to spend all right. Trust me. And yes, I have my strings, but this one really have me worried because I wonder to myself, who could I really pull off something like this? No, it means we have to go back and look. Is it you? Is it Michelle, your wife? Is it her connections or your connections?
Well, clearly it have nothing to do with Michelle, obviously. And I know I'm not involved in it at all.
You have to take out Carlton out of it. Me not think him involved. Who else we can think about? What the guy named? There's some brethren or the other way your wife connected to,
You know that you mention it. She reconnect with her brother named Juggler. Why you put him on your radar? Put him on your radar for me.
Tell me something, boss. You get any more phone call or video from them people?
No, I know. Just let me tell you about the other day when we did meet up. Just some old videos and the fact that they did call me when they carry out the ordeal and show me everything, Virgin. And I tell it, I play it on my mind.
Sure. Alright, here we go. You're gonna need your phone so we can do some checks and get some information.
Alright, but me try that already, brother, and as I straight dead end me meet up,
Trust me, my resources, good. Plus, you're surprised to know the kind of things you can find out when you watch a video. Alright? Once again, I'm sorry, boss.
I'm not lie to you, brother. This a cut me deep, I'm sorry to man.
I feel it too. Wait, who you talking about? Tiffany or Michelle?
I must Tiffany me talk, man.
Oh, okay. Boss, willing.
Savage. Get it.
Everything. You're strong, boss.